Welcome to day 21 with English Mirror. So, today's build habit session is you have to set English as your device language. So, what you have to do? You have to switch the language on your phone, apps, and computer to English. If you are using some other languages on your device, you have to make it as English so that it will be very useful for you because every time you are looking at things in English, so it will be like what inducing you to speak in English. So that is the build habit session for you today. So just make it try. Here are the words for day 21. The first word is fortunately. That means happening in a way that is lucky or favorable. That is favorable moment or favorable incident or favorable aspect. Okay, favorable aspect. Okay, that is it. Example sentences are fortunately we arrived before the store closed. Just before closing the shop, we arrived and we purchased whatever things necessary. That was lucky. We got what we needed. The people, the team got whatever they needed. And the next one is fortunately the weather cleared up just in time for the picnic. Perfect timing. Like one group of people are going for a picnic and they were tense that whether it will rain or not. But luckily or fortunately the weather cleared up and just the time for picnic. It's picnic time and weather itself went okay. That is a perfect timing, the listener is telling. And another word for the day is rarely. Rarely means not often, infrequently, very rare. We use it all time. Now, very rare, like not very often, not often. It is not happening at times or at intervals. It is not happening. Example sentences are: I rarely watch TV these days. Same here. I prefer reading. One person is telling that I won't dedicate my time for TV these times. I usually do some other activities. And the person is replying that I am also doing the same. Now I prefer reading much. And the next example sentence is she rarely eats sweets but she enjoyed the cake. Good for her. It was delicious. One person is telling about another girl. She might be her daughter or a sister or someone and she is telling that she rarely eats sweets. She won't eat. Rarely means no, not at all, not eating sweets, but she enjoyed the cake. She likes cake. And the next listener is telling good for her, it was delicious. Yeah, that is good, it is delicious only. This what cakes are delicious only. And the next sentence, the next word or the usage is as far as I am concerned. That means from my personal perspective or opinion, from my personal choice, from my personal suggestion. Example sentences are as far as I am concerned, we should prioritize quality over speed. That's a reasonable approach. One person is telling that I am, according to my opinion, I support what quality rather than quantity or speed. So that is good. That is a reasonable approach also. Yeah, that is it. And the next example sentence is as far as I am concerned, this is the best movie of the year. Glad you enjoyed it. Some people are discussing about the movie and telling that as far as am I concerned, that is according to my opinion, this is the best movie of the year. And glad you enjoyed it. And really glad that you enjoyed it. Now, the next word is obviously. That means clearly or without a doubt, something that is easily understood. Obviously, for sure, exactly like that. So, example sentences are obviously he worked hard to achieve such great results. Yes, his dedication shows. One person is telling that another boy, he worked hard, that's why he got a good results. So that is his dedication. This is where we can see his dedication. And the next example sentence is it's obvious going to a busy day at work. Let's get started then. I think one manager of a team is telling that today I could feel that this will be a very hectic day, so we can start the work. So let's get started. This is what they are telling. The next word is apparently. Apparently means as it seems or appears based on the information available, even if it is not confirmed. Let's see the examples and make it clear. Apparently, the meeting has been postponed to tomorrow. Thanks for letting me know. One person is telling that he is not sure about the reason for the cancellation or postponing the meeting, but he got the information that it is getting postponed, and he made a message to everyone, and he is getting thanked by everyone. And the next example sentence is she's apparently moving to a new city for work. That's exciting for work for her. One girl is moving from her friend's gang or some her team to another place, and the others are telling that yeah, it is exciting, she is going for new work. No, that is very nice to hear. Now the next word is quiet. Quiet means there are two different quiet. The pronunciation is same, but the meanings are different. Silence, that also conveys quietness. This is quiet. That means to a certain extent or degree or fairly. Like fairly speaking, like quite common. We'll tell it's okay. To some extent, it is common. That is it. As example sentences are: It's quite cold outside today. Let's grab our jacket. She is quite talented at painting. I would love to see her works. Most first example is that it is very cold outside. Let's grab our jackets. It's pretty cold outside, so you can grab our jackets and go out. And the next example sentence: She is quite talented at painting. She is talented in the painting also. She is good in painting, and the person is telling that I would love to watch her paintings. Here is a vocabulary activity for day 21. There are 6 words given again. You can start constructing sentences using each of the words. And here is the calling activity for day 22. And the topic for the day is my dream vacation. You have to describe about your ideal vacation destination. You will be having one particular destinations. No, in dream places like Manali, Kashmir, like places will be there, like even Munnar or Ooty. You can describe about such a dream location or a destination, and you can tell your personal trainer why you came to this particular destination, and you can share what activities you would like to do and who would you go with.